Have you ever wondered what tools you would need to survive in the wilderness? Well, ponder no more. Today we delve into 9 of the must-have tools for survival. These are essentials that could mean the difference between life and death when you find yourself in the heart of Mother Nature. First on the list, a sturdy and reliable knife. This isn't just for slicing your dinner. A good knife can help you fashion other tools, cut rope, harvest plants, and even defend yourself if necessary. It's the Swiss Army knife of survival tools, literally and figuratively. Next up, a fire starter. Whether it's a lighter, matches, or a flint and steel, you need a reliable method to start a fire. Fire provides warmth, cooks food, purifies water, and signals for help. It's not just a survival tool, it's a survival necessity. Third, a compass and a map. These old-school navigation tools can be lifesavers when electronic devices fail. They guide you towards safety and prevent you from walking in circles. Remember, a compass is only as good as the map it's used with, and vice versa. Fourth, a first aid kit. This should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and pain relievers. In the wilderness, even small injuries can become serious if not treated properly. Fifth, a multi-tool. This is like the big brother of the survival knife, offering numerous tools in one compact package. A multi-tool can include a can opener, screwdrivers, scissors, and more. Sixth on our list, a flashlight. When darkness falls in the wilderness, it falls hard. A flashlight can help you navigate, signal for help, and avoid stumbling over unseen obstacles. Seventh, a waterproof tarp. This versatile tool can serve as a shelter, a ground cover, a blanket, or even a means to collect rainwater. It's lightweight and easy to pack, but it can provide critical protection from the elements. Eighth, paracord or strong rope. This can be used for climbing, securing shelter, or even fishing. Its strength and versatility make it a must-have for any survival situation. And last but not least, a water purification system. This could be a filter, purification tablets, or a UV sterilizer. Safe drinking water is paramount for survival. In conclusion, these 9 tools can significantly increase your chances of survival in the wilderness. A reliable knife, a fire starter, a compass and map, a first aid kit, a multi-tool, a flashlight, a waterproof tarp, a paracord, and a water purification system are all critical. So before venturing into the wild, make sure you're well equipped. Remember, it's not about being paranoid, it's about being prepared. Until next, enjoy the outdoors.